No.
Did?
Huh?
Did. It's too cold out there for anybody anyways.
Good. Just fucker. Shay Shay.
Yes, I did.
Fuck her. She's a faggot. Fuck my Walgreens. And CVS.